Discovery of cathode ray tube. What is cathode ray tube? Cathode ray tube and all we have discussed about the electron, J. Thomson, Millikan's ion drop experiment, electron charge, anode rays, that is Goldstein, Eugen Goldstein, a German physicist, gives a brief idea and the foundation studies discovery on proton. This is a cathode ray tube. Goldstein and Rutherford's gold foil experiment, which is famous. Rutherford gold foil experiment regarding, and coming to the Rutherford, he awarded Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1998 for his radioactivity work as well, and James Chadwick discovery of neutron. You know, my dear friends, the discovery of neutron, James Chadwick worked so many things by bombarding alpha particle source beryllium and a paraffin wax. Scientists soon realized that the atomic model offered by Rutherford is not complete, it is incomplete because of these various reasons, and various experiments showed that mass of the nucleus is approximately twice than the mass of the proton. So, several theories and experimental observations eventually led the discovery of neutron. We can summarize some of the scientific observations behind the discovery of neutron. See, my dear friends, in 1930, W. Bothe and H. Becker found an electrically neutral radiation when they bombarded beryllium with alpha particle. They thought it was photons with high energy, that is gamma rays, is nothing but the radioactivity. The radioactivity class will be taken in the next forthcoming classes separately. Now this is only an introduction. In 1932, Irene and Frederick Joliot Curie showed that this ray can eject protons when it hits paraffin or hydrogen-containing compounds. The question arose that how massless proton could eject protons which are 1836 times heavier than electrons. That means the electron is very lighter, but neutron is very heavier, and proton is, of course. This 1932, James Chadwick performed the same experiment as Irene and Frederick Joliot Curie, but he used many different targets of bombardment besides paraffin. He analyzing the energies of different targets after bombardment, he discovered the existence of a very, very new particle which is chargeless and has a similar mass to proton. This particle is called neutron. Beryllium undergoes the following reaction when it is bombarded with alpha particle. This is the beryllium hit by alpha particle, radiocarbon, and this radiocarbon gives out neutron. Here the Frederick Joliot and Irene Joliot Curie working and discovering so many things in their experimental evidences in their laboratory. Frederick Joliot 1900-1958 and Irene Joliot Curie 1897-1956 for their synthesis of new radioactive elements, that is artificial radioactivity, we will discuss later. So, coming to the conclusion that Robert Millikan's ion drop experiment electron charge and similarly proton H plus and proton charge and neutron is no charge. This is all about the history and science, history of science regarding the fundamental particles, subatomic particles, electron, proton and neutron. Thank you for listening. See you again in the forthcoming classes. This is Veerbhadra.